right, guys, so welcome to this video. I'm joined here by our good friend and chart analyst, Tone Vays. It's been a great pleasure to having been to chat with Tone for the last hour. We'll be talking about the charts of Bitcoin, cryptos, stock markets, gold, and so on and so on. Tone, before I ask you my question, where are you exactly this evening? Where you?
I'm in Singapore. I'm finally winding down my 3.5 months of straight travel. Supposed to be back in the US by now, but ended up coming to Singapore for a couple of events. I have Dubai as my last and final stop from here, heading there on Sunday, and hopefully I'll be back in time for Thanksgiving.
Great. Looking forward to that turkey, right? Turkey and then Christmas.
Yeah.
Okay, I got a question here for you, Tone. I know you're in Singapore. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, I think. I'll forgive you. I think we'll all forgive you if you fall asleep in this particular video. Anyway, my question is, where do you see Bitcoin in 2020? Let's say a year from now. Do you see it 50K, 100K, or back to 2K? Now, we're all speculating here. I understand. No one's going to hold you to it, but where do you see Bitcoin in a year from now, November of next year, approximately 100K, 50K, or 2K, or maybe just something else? Maybe nothing is going to massively change, just be stuck in a range. What do you think?
For the end of so about a year from now, I think the probability of 50K or 100K is a lot higher than the probability of 2K. But I don't really expect new all-time highs in 2020. Maybe 2021, certainly 2022. I just think it's going to be more of a struggle. I just don't see the retail investor coming in. I don't see any kind of FOMO. I think the entire rise of the price of Bitcoin for 2019, I think it's 80% of exodus out of altcoins and 20% institutional investing. I haven't really seen much retail investing coming in, and I still haven't seen it. The halving will help. It will certainly help, stabilize a low in the price. But I would be a little surprised if new all-time highs are made in 2020. 2021 is more likely.
2021, I think, is more likely. Right.
For new all-time highs, yeah. So if I have to guess where the price would be at the end of 2020, I'd say somewhere above 10,000, but not that far above.
Interesting. So the question I asked you was, where do you see Bitcoin in next year in 2K, 100K, or 50K? I guess my answer, the way I answer it would be, and I respect your answer. I take your point. I guess my answer would be along the lines of, again, I follow Bayesian probability, which would be that if Bitcoin, for me to see Bitcoin at 50K or 100K, I would first need to see Bitcoin above 20K. If we break above 20K, get above it and stay, yeah, then that would show a strong probability of moving to 50 to 100K. And actually, no, I would also say that even if Bitcoin were to get above 14K, which is the prior highs we made this year, that would also probably show a strong indication we could move to 20K and 30K. So what do you think about that, Tone? Do you think if Bitcoin were to go above 14K, the prior almost the near highs we made this summer?
I completely agree, and I would even put that line a little bit lower. For me, I wouldn't even need to see it above 14K. I'd need to see it closer to 12K, because once we can approach 12K, at that point, I'm already anticipating 14K, and I'm already anticipating the break of 14K because of my, I don't anticipate double tops or double bottoms. So I just have to get close enough to it. I would even go one high lower than 14K in order for me to be really, really bullish on Bitcoin. But I still think it'll be a struggle. I don't think it's going to be that easy, guys. I'd rather be more cautious. But if Bitcoin can break 12K, then yes, sky's probably the limit.
I agree with you. Caution is the rule, and we need to be prepared for the risks. And the risk has, at the moment, turned pretty much against Bitcoin because it's gone below the weekly 21 and resistance or support. Tone, before we finish the video, just first of all, I just want to tell everyone, guys, do check out Tone's videos. which is youtube.com/Tone Vays. I'll put the link for you guys in the screen and also in the description.
Hi guys, thanks for watching this video. I just want to let you know that my good friend Paul Elliott is about to close the special offer that he made for his educational program and web class on property and real estate investing. Paul is by far one of the most knowledgeable people that I know about real estate and property investing. So if you want to take your knowledge of property and real estate investing to the next level, then Paul's course and educational program is the way to go. So his web class, just to let you know, is on this link. So the way to join his web class and his educational program is to go on this link, strategicrebel.com/recession. Now, if you haven't seen the video replay, you can go ahead and watch the replay on the same link. And you can use this code you see here, REP50. So use this code, REP50, REP50, to get a 50% discount on his class. And again, he's going to close this offer on Monday at midnight. So there it is. That's the link to go to, strategicrebel.com/recession. And again, Paul is closing this offer on Monday at midnight. Thanks very much indeed, guys, and bye for now.